Ubuntu users, this is one of those updates you should not ignore. Ubuntu 25.04, known as Plucky Puffin, has officially reached end of life. As of mid-January 2026, this version is no longer receiving security updates, bug fixes, or official support. Your system will still boot, your apps will still open, nothing breaks overnight, but under the surface, the risk slowly starts to grow. When a release reaches end of life, security vulnerabilities stop getting patched. Over time, that means higher exposure to exploits, outdated software, and compatibility issues with newer applications. Ubuntu 25.04 was always meant to be a short-term release. It gave users early access to newer features, but with a limited support window. That window is now closed. So what should you do next? The recommended upgrade path is Ubuntu 25.10, called Questing Quokka. This release is actively supported and brings newer kernel improvements, updated desktop components, and better hardware compatibility. Before upgrading, take a moment to back up anything important. Documents, media files, configuration folders. It's a small step that can save you from a big headache. Once that's done, the upgrade itself is straightforward. You can open the software updater and wait for the upgrade prompt to appear. When it does, follow the on-screen steps and let the system handle the rest. If you prefer the terminal, you can start the upgrade manually using the Release Upgrade command. The process will guide you through each stage and let you know if anything needs attention. During the upgrade, Ubuntu may warn you about third-party repositories or unsupported packages. This is normal. In most cases, disabling those temporarily helps the upgrade complete smoothly. After the upgrade finishes, reboot your system. You'll be running Ubuntu 25.10 with active updates and continued security support. And if you're someone who prefers stability over frequent upgrades, this might be a good moment to consider an LTS release instead. Long-term support versions trade bleeding-edge features for years of maintenance and peace of mind. Bottom line, running an end-of-life operating system is a silent risk. Upgrading keeps your system secure, compatible, and future-ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.